2019 Bowman Platinum baseball cards. This is a Walmart exclusive product. It delivers 2 autograph cards in every box with an SRP of $80. This product has actually performed pretty well for us in the past. We'll see if we can continue on with that this year.
Also, keep in mind with this, Rob, 4 of the year's biggest rookies are short prints.
Wow.
Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Pete Alonso, Fernando Tatis Jr., and Eloy Jimenez are all short prints. That said, they don't appear to be particularly rare, just slightly short printed. And they also share spots on the checklist with other players. So there's 100 cards on the checklist, but there's 10 additional variations. Now, those 10 additional variations are really tough. So I'll keep an eye out on those, and thank you to Ryan Cracknell at Beckett Media for doing such great reporting.
Little insert action we went by there. Juan Soto, Platinum Presence, classy looking card.
Looks like Trout, Ohtani, Bregman, Acuna, Yelich, Yusei Kikuchi, Juan Soto, Rhys Hoskins, Mookie Betts, and Gleyber Torres have them.
Justice Sheffield, renowned rookies, insert. Chance Adams, rookie. Nice clear, crisp design. Justice Sheffield base. Shiny Jake Lamb. Whatever our autos are, please just don't be Ryan O'Hearn. Nice. Prismatic Prodigies, Hunter Green. Autograph guest at the Topps booth. That'd be a great card to have him sign. Ronald Acuna Jr. Danny Jansen.
Can you show me the Ronald Acuna again real quick? Sorry, I was trying to look up some stuff. I just want to see if it's the variation. With the bat? No, that's the base. Trout, Ohtani, Bregman,
Joe Adell.
Yelich, Yusei, Juan Soto, Rhys Hoskins, Mookie Betts.
Eloy Jimenez. Is he a short print, Eloy?
So it's actually, I don't know, they're calling it a variation, but the odds don't seem to be tougher on them.
Got it.
On the 4 rookies that are variations.
All right, first autograph, Logan Webb. Logan Webb.
Oh, that's funny. I have... Hold that back up to the camera. Is it the same picture or a different picture? I literally have his right here also. Oh, different picture. Different picture. Looks the same, though. Apparently he does that motion a lot.
We'll go ahead and give that away. Kristen Stewart, renowned rookies. It's still, when I see Yasiel Puig in a Reds uniform, it still throws me off. I don't know why that is. Michael Kopech. Nico Horner.
Ooh.
Keegan
Autograph?
Thompson. No. Prismatic Prodigies. Nick Solek. Jose Ramirez. Zach Greinke. Griffin Conine. Platinum Presence Wander Franco.
Hey, there we go. Got a little Wander.
Kevin Newman. Luis Urias, my bad.
One thing I like to do when I'm searching on eBay for cards, just to get a sense of a set, is to search auctions, highest price, and then scroll down to see what actually has action on it. Because obviously there's an auction listed at $2,500 that doesn't have any action on it.
Colby Allard, rookie, renowned rookies.
Very cool. But it gives you a chance to see some pricing on some of the hits from this, see what's popular, and also see some of the 101s that may have been pulled already.
Here's a purple parallel platinum presence of Victor Mesa, numbered to 250. That's cool.
Nice.
Chris Bryant, Steven Dugar.
Good looking Chris Bryant base card. Good job, Topps.
Yeah, it is. It really is. Kind of popped for me as I was going through them. Grant I don't know. Prismatic Prodigies. Victor Robles, Joey Gallo. Yusniel Diaz. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Joey Votto, Kristen Stewart. So we're pulling the good rookies. Nick Madrigal. Hey, and for you Cub fans, there's a Nico Horner autograph.
Whoa, hey, there we go. That's what I was asking for just a minute ago.
Yeah, it was. Ask and you shall receive.
Keep holding that there for just oh gosh. It's like trying to take a picture of a monkey. Awesome. Well, hey Rob, there you go. After years and years, it seems, of Ryan O'Hearn.
Got through a box without one. Nice.
Yeah, with a good prospect auto there.
Yep. And just as we say his name, there he shows up in Renowned Rookies. Corey Kluber, Cody Bellinger. So parallels are kind of few and far between. Found just one so far. Which, I don't know, gives them a little extra juice if you ask me. Yeah, that pops. That Prismatic Prodigies design. Tuki Toussaint, I like saying his name. And we close things out with a base of Ozzy Albies. Pretty nice product. I think that's pretty cool. That's a pretty, you put a hobby type product in retail, or as they say, mass market. You include the top rookies. You make a nice design. You include some inserts and parallels and hits. And you really can, turn fans into collectors, and because for so many people, it is their hobby shop. So, 2 winners in that box.